Okay, guys, so while the noodles are cooking, I am going to put I think I'm going to do like some hamburger and gravy type deal with some mashed potatoes, like the little steak patty things. Yeah, that's what we're going to do. All right. Okay, guys, so these are the little hamburger patties. Just gonna put them in my pan here. And then I will season them up, okay? So they're gonna be kind of like little mini slider burgers. So, and then I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna season them with, okay? Just kind of smashing them down a little bit. So I'm able to fit 6 in here, okay? All right. Take these gloves off. All right. So I'm gonna use a little bit of complete seasoning, my garlic and onion, and black pepper and sea salt, and of course our favorite, some of the ranch. Okay, gonna turn this down a little bit. Okay. Also gonna put some of these onions up in here, okay? Okay. All right. Okay, and this is what we're looking like right now. Gonna let that cook for a minute, okay? All right, guys. So I also have some boneless short ribs that I'm gonna also put on, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and get these in here and wash them up, okay? All right, guys, so for my short ribs here, I got them all washed up. I'm going to put some of this on it. And yes, it is a marinade, but obviously I did not let anything marinate, okay? So let me get this open. Okay, so also the complete seasoning and my special blend. So I'm just gonna kind of put that on there. I'll pour some of this on here. Okay, not too much. And then a little bit of the complete seasoning, not too much. Okay. So I'm gonna use this to kind of mix it up here. Just gonna mix it up. Okay. So it's all nice and seasoned here. And all those seasons nice and incorporated, okay? All right. So now I'm just going to put these into the pan here, along with some of the onions that I cut up earlier, okay? So put this in here. Lay them we're gonna put all the seasonings in there. Just like that. Okay. And I'm gonna put all these onions on you, okay? And just so our meat doesn't dry, I'm just gonna put just a little bit of the chicken broth in there, okay? Just a little bit so it doesn't dry out. And yes, and also okay? Then we're going to top it. Okay, these are how our little burgers are looking.
Mommy.
Yes, Peanutter.
My backpack.
Okay, I'm so sorry.
What you need? You need a pain pill? That's relaxing. Oh, okay. These melatonin, okay? That's gonna help.
Got those going and got these going. Okay, guys, so I have taken my little slider burgers out of the pan. Now I'm going to do like a little gravy. I normally use like a cream of mushroom, but I do not have a can. So what I'm going to do is improvise. I'm going to use just a tiny bit of this just to make a little bit of gravy to go with my little patties here. And I'm also going to put just a little bit of the chicken broth in it, okay? All right. All right, so here I am. Like I said, I'm improvising. Just going to put a little bit of this in here. I got some of the little pan drippings in here. Okay. Don't judge me, y'all, okay? All right. Just gonna stir this. Okay, and it is thickening up. I didn't have any flour either, y'all, so just do not judge me, okay? I am improvising. This is what I do, all right? It's still going to be delicious, I'm sure.
Really good, Mommy.
Okay. All right, let me show y'all. Okay, so I'm just going to continue to stir this. All those seasonings in the bottom of that pan. It's going to be good in this gravy here. Got some of the onions. Yep, so I'm just going to keep stirring this until it thickens up. And we'll add the patties back in, okay? There are my patties right there. Just going to keep stirring. Okay, so my gravy has thickened up. I'm not going to add any seasoning to it because the burgers have enough seasoning on now. So I'm just going to add my burgers back in, okay? Like this, just like this. All those onions in there. Okay. Okay. So I'm just going to let those cook in the gravy. Got the onions right there. Okay. I'm going to cover it up. Let those do what they do. And I got my mashed potatoes here, y'all. And I still have to add my little components to this, okay? Okay, so to my mashed potatoes, I just put some butter. And I'm about to add a little bit of this chive and onion, cream cheese in there, with a little bit of garlic powder and some other good things, okay? Okay, guys, and this is how it looks. I told y'all I'm using up the last little bit of the box potatoes. I told y'all I don't really like to use those, but I didn't have any potatoes to cut up, so this is what we got. Just as good. Okay, now we are checking on our short beef ribs here. Those onions are cooking really nicely. These will be good over some rice. I'm going to let that continue to cook in this gravy right here that we have. And that is going to be a meal for tomorrow, okay? Got some broccoli or some string beans with it. Yeah, that's going to be good. Look, y'all. Gonna put these on. All right, y'all. So I'm about to plate up my food. And then we're gonna try it for you. Ain't that right? Yeah. Okay, y'all. Let that go to plate. Yeah. Yeah. And it looks so good, y'all. So I'm gonna try my plate I'm get these kids fed because yeah. So let me try. So I want to try my vegetables first because I love my veggies, y'all.
Give me some.
I'm about to give you some. Hold on. These turtles and gravy. You want a burger? Hold on. Oh yes. No, let me try some of this dip in these potatoes. That was some. All right now, I'm hungry. I'm good. These vegetables is good too. Y'all. Oh, let me taste the biscuit. Yeah, that's very good. All right, y'all. Let me go feed my kids. Bye.